In this week's episode, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Day in the life of a funded trader. Not of myself, not of the coaches, one of our funded traders on our in-house fund. His name is Serhat. He's a portfolio asset manager on our in-house fund. Incredible human being, incredible individual, very dedicated, very committed, and his journey's been incredibly inspiring. He's going to be taking you through a day in the life and just keeping it as raw as possible. He's actually filming this on his phone. He's going to be taking you through the things that he gets up to, his routines, his dedication, things that he focuses on, things that just help him stay in a high state flow of mind. Sit back, relax. I think you're going to thoroughly enjoy this, and I can't wait to hear your feedback of taking you through a day in the life of one of our funded traders.
Hi, I'm Serhat Yildirim, and this is my day in the life of a funded FX trader. Let's go. What's happening, guys? Good morning. So my morning routine usually starts around 5, quarter to 5, 10 to 5, where I get up straight away. First thing I do is make my bed. After that, jump in a cold shower. Then I'll go into my stretches. And then after the stretches, I'll sit at my desk and just review my daily goals for today. And then I'll go into my visualization meditation. So let's go do that right now. So it's just coming up to 9 a.m. and I've completed my morning routine. I want to share with you guys as well to show you what I'm looking at for today. I've got quite a few pairs on watch, but throughout the day I will filter those positions and narrow that down so I don't have too many on watch. But the markets are looking very promising for the week. So let's see what today brings.
Morning, people. We've got quite a few technicals to cover today. Very special day, Serhat. I'm looking forward to seeing it.
But it's still an interpretation of when's the right time to buy and when's the right time to sell, what's the right market to invest in, what's the right market to pull money out of, etc. All of it is an interpretative base. The only literal thing that separates a great trader from someone who is a poor trader, literally, is their emotional resilience and composure. That's it. They don't need to read all the flow charts, we don't need to read all this information. It's absolutely pointless for us, guys, right? All you've got to understand is I've got a simple, effective set of rules that prove an edge, and can I follow that on autopilot? Job done. Nothing more complicated than that.
This is an example of this. Look, right, we're pushing up with momentum on Euro Sterling. We go back to this candle here. I think this is where people get caught out. This will be the FOMO candle. It's bullish. Some of you might go, oh, but I wouldn't trade that. You'll be surprised how many people say they won't trade it. You know, behind closed doors, they still take the trade because they get some kind of FOMO. They see a wick like that and they're in already, or they're setting their order. They just think they're going to miss something. Be composed.
15 minute, 5 minute, Euro Sterling. Yeah, I've got that. This is the main watch for me. So Aussie dollar, Euro Kiwi, Pound Oz, Euro Sterling and Pound CAD. A few of them, of course, need a bit more time. But it looks like it's one of those weeks where things have taken a bit of time. And now we've had that surge of momentum. We may have quite a few entries today or tomorrow.
So for Thursday, as you can see, I've got quite a few pairs on watch, total of 7 pairs. Filter that down to like the top 4, just seeing how things shape up. Obviously this was done earlier on this morning and the markets have developed slightly from then. So we'll see what happens today.
Even though the trade is there, easy to look back in hindsight and think I could have got involved in that. You don't want to take that trade. It's too far. So if you're going to measure to scale any particular trade, if it's 50% into the pattern and more, you're increasing a lot of risk. So if you take, let's say, the sell on the break of that 15-minute retrace, you're asking for trouble because at the low or even at the upward sloping trend line, it can evolve into so many different things. It'll just be a headache to manage. If something is a headache to manage, stay out. No profit is worth compromising your mental clarity throughout the day when you're trying to manage a trade.
So yeah, there you have it. Just a quick market update, what I'm looking at and how I'm approaching. Just about being patient right now. So just gonna go enjoy the gym for 1.5 to 2 hours. Later on, I'll be jumping on a call with a Falcon FX member. Another big goal of mine for this year is to really give back to the community, because Falcon it's just more than trading, in my opinion. It's a lifestyle. It's a community with strong values and principles. And the founder, our mentor Mark, has always led by example, consistently giving back to the community, help as many students pass their funding and get funded and, you know, achieve their dreams and goals. And I'm also on that journey, so I know what it feels like. So yes, it's a real pleasure to do that. I'm gonna head off to the gym. You'll be joining me. I'll be pushing myself to the limit. So yeah, let's go. So this is one of my go-to recipes when I'm training. So I use oat bran, oat milk, it's amazing. And then I top it up with some flax seeds and goji berries, just for some added fiber. It is absolutely delicious. One of my major goals as well for my life was obviously, I love dogs and I always wanted to get one. And since being able to quit my job and go full-time trading back in November last year, I decided that I wanted to get a dog. Canine training, hit me up. As you see, the techniques are there. So yeah, he's gonna be a beast when he's older. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Stay. Good boy, yes. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good. Good stay. What are you saying, mate? You ready to go? Go Starbucks, grab some coffee? Yes? Okay.